So this is actually my second date shake today. We actually ran off bananas. We don't have ripe bananas. Don't do it, like always be prepared with bananas. But yesterday we wanted to go to the store to buy some dates because dates are always the backup plan. And they didn't have any dates in our home store. So we were like, okay, let's walk to another store. It's like 20 minutes from here. We went there, they didn't have any dates. So we were like, okay, we have third option. Let's go to there. We drove with the bus. It's like 10 minutes, 5 minutes with the bus, and as well like 20 minutes walking. So we went with the bus. And they didn't have any dates. And oh my God, it was the same chain, the same chain store. I really love their dates. It's so fresh all the time, and they didn't have it. And then we were like, okay, we have 24/7 Prisma, always open. So we were like, okay, let's go there. They have some dates, and they did have finally some dates, some organic, juicy, fresh dates. And today I'm eating dates only. Okay, dinner, I'll have some potatoes or something, but yeah, I love it. I actually love it. It's so sweet, it's super good, but still bananas are a little bit more like filling. It is mostly sugar, so it goes super quickly into your cells, and I feel my digestion is better with bananas, and I feel this filament still in me. But this is such a great option as well. I really, really love it, especially in cold days. In summer I don't crave date shake that much, but like days like this, it's just super nice, sugary, warm. I used to afraid so much sugar, like sugar just wasn't my friend. But I grew up with eating a lot of sugar, but when I went to this diet culture, and when the world says, we should avoid the sugar, then it was kind of, messing up my brain. But now I'm on my natural diet again, and it's serving me good. Try it out. It's like 20 dates and water, ginger, and cinnamon. But like I really, really emphasize you to hold your whole diet low fat if you eat that sugary drinks and foods. Like otherwise, sugar and fat just causes problems. But if you eat sad diet, standard American diet, then almost all the foods are mixed with sugar and fat. So about this lifestyle, it's great that we're keeping the fats low, and we actually let the sugar go into our cells, give the energy for us, do what we need to do and feel good and energized. When I'm not on my natural environment, this place is just, we haven't seen sun for a long time, and I feel I need some sun on my face. It's still, this diet really, really helps even in this kind of environment. Otherwise I would be dead, not consuming coffee, stimulants or anything. I do feel I'm a little bit maybe less relaxed around others who consume coffee and things, and it also, I feel they have a lot of anxiety in them as well, and that actually pushes me away, when I'm all the time hanging out with people who drink coffee, and we're not on the same energy level. Like sugar works differently, you get the energy, but you're not super like hyped up, and it's just different. Body reacts to different. I like how creamy it is and foamy. It's so nice. I came for a walk and it's super beautiful right now. It's kind of snowy. Finally snow came down. But I also wanted to talk about a little bit about movement. As I eat super healthy, I eat a lot of fruits, veggies, carbs, but you can't forget movement in this lifestyle. This is the key point. It will fasten your metabolism, which helps you to eventually get fit, which helps to burn more calories, burn more fat eventually. So definitely go outside, move a little bit, even if it's walking like I do, like 1 hour of walk. If I don't do running that day, sometimes I do even run 1 hour and then I go for a half an hour walk. You don't need to do much, but for me, I actually enjoy it. I enjoy moving. I enjoy running. It just makes me feel alive, you know, like especially in the winter when you're not outside like naturally, then it feels so refreshing to go outside, to move. Yeah, it's just so good. So just a reminder, do something, even if it's yoga, stretching, whatever, give your digestive system a little push, and you know, you feel how the food starts to go down easily. But water is so important as well. Don't forget to be hydrated. Even if you eat a lot of raw foods, you still need water. Like, I'm so bad with water, I need to drink more. So my challenge right now is to drink 3 liters in a day. So I have already 2 down, so 1 to go before dinner. And I actually feel, yeah, very good when I'm hydrated. Though even when I don't drink that much, my pee is still clear. That's what you should be looking for, that your pee is clear. Even because I eat so much fruits and veggies, so my body says I'm hydrated, but I just feel myself that I need more. I need even more water. But yeah, so if you go 8 to 12 times to pee and your pee is clear, then I think you're doing very good. Keep up that work. Also, if I have a longer walk ahead, then I always make sure I have something with me. Usually it's dates, natural dates, but I found these things from the store. They are just candied fruit, you know, raspberries. They even had strawberry taste and passion fruit taste. I like the passion fruit the best, but I have raspberries right now. And you know, it's not the maybe healthiest thing, but it's so good, and I always make sure that I have sugar with me, that I am energized, that I can continue my walk. And it's super easy snack, so don't be afraid of sugars, natural sugars. Sugar is sugar, whatever it is. The molecules of fruit, sugar and candy sugar is the same. Our body processes the same way the sugars. But of course, with the fruit you get all the fiber and vitamins and water in. So if you do eat these kinds of things, then what did I say? Drink more, stay hydrated as well. And fruit is always the best. But it's just a snack that you can have, especially it's winter right now. So I absolutely love these kind of snacks with me. You know, there's not much good fruit available, and I eat so many bananas already in a day, and I just want some variety sometimes. It's super windy. Oh. I actually walk to a thrift store. I always like when I have some place to go. So let's go look what is there. I can't buy anything because maybe we're moving someday, so I need to have as less things as possible. But I still like to go and look and get my inspiration going. I just love it sometimes. This is the thrift shop where we are headed. One of the most famous thrift shops here in Estonia. I have super warm pants on because I thought it's super cold today, and super thick jacket. So, but it's not that cold though. So I'm a little bit hot even because I'm moving quite fast as well, and definitely if I go to the store it's going to be very warm. This is the thing, you'll never know what is the weather is going to feel like, because sometimes I come out and it's super cold and I wish I could have put more clothes on. So next time I put more clothes on, but it's not that cold, and then I'm kind of warm. Tell me if you feel the same sometimes.